Strong Mag. 5.3 earthquake, South Pacific Ocean, 238 kilometers south of Nuku'alofa, Tongatapu, on Friday, January 13, 2023 at 12:11 a.m. local time. According to the United States Geological Survey reported updated January 12, 2023 11:56 Greenwich Mean Time 24 minutes ago refresh. I felt this quake, the exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their reports. Quake data, interactive map, user reports, aftershocks, earlier quakes here, quakes in Tonga, ʻEUA, Tongatapu, Hapai strong magnitude 5.3 earthquake at 10 kilometers depth.